Sharon ogo kambi kanyo kawuono kama bende achiel kuom kembe mag jigiwegi mag ndeke biro chako wuoth machiel kachiel mar dhi Kabunde airstrip mane county Homa Bay tinende jatend migawo mochung' ne weche mag wuoth e pacho ka Kipchumba Murkomen kanyakla kod governor ma Homa Bay County Gladys Wanga gin mokuom welo ma odhial manie paw ndeke ma Wilson mar Chako ayanga chenro mar wuoth machiel kachiel mar ndeke ma biro nyaka e paw ndeke ma Kabunde. Unyalo paro higni machien paw ndeke no osebedo ka odich mokalo mak mani kembe masanja mag ndeke gikone koro newe chenro mar wuoth achiel kachiel kokalo kuom paw ndeke ma Wilson nyaka Kabunde. Mago gin piche ma achiel kachiel ma bende neno kuok Wilson Airport kama bende jatend migawo Kipchumba Murkomen kaachiel kod governor Gladys Wanga. Unye nena gima Kipchumba Murkomen wacho mano jatend migawo mochung' ne weche mag wuoth e pacho ka.
The first flight to Kabunde airstrip in Homa Bay County. This is a very big achievement on a partnership between the Kenya Airports Authority and our ministry and the county government of Homa Bay. And I must first start by congratulating the governor, Governor Gladys Wanga, for the work she has done to see that this flight becomes a reality. The commitment and the push from the time being an MP to being a governor, her commitment to this process has been commendable. And the partnership to facilitate us as a national government in the works that are going on in Kabunde airstrip is also appreciated. This is what happens as a country. If we partner together as institutions and also levels of government, we can achieve a lot in terms of our development. Second, I want to congratulate Kenya Airports Authority for the job they have done to construct the Kabunde airport. We, as a ministry, our desire is to make sure that we open up our country because transport is the top, among the top 3 contributors to our economy. And if we open up Homa Bay, I don't know how many Kenyans know that Homa Bay is one of the most beautiful parts of our country, exceptionally beautiful. I mean, this is not an exaggeration. It's one of those areas, if you don't come from where I come from, you want to come from Homa Bay. And I just want to say that it's a very, very beautiful place. It's a potential for tourism. I want to thank Renegade Air for accepting to partner with the county government to make sure that Homa Bay is opened. And I want to congratulate the staff of KA, as I've said, and the national government. We are all here today to show what we can do. This has been really coming for some time now, and I am happy because after this, I'm sure Governor Gladys Wanga will no longer bother me with a lot of harassment of calls of we must go to Homa Bay. I want to thank the MPs of Homa Bay County and leadership as a whole for really partnering with us as a national government. I look forward to landing in Kabunde and look forward again to this flight being daily in the near future. We are starting with 3 times a week. I hope it will be daily. It will increase the number of people that are going to go to that county. Last, I want to say that as part of the incentive as a national government, pursuant to the directive given by His Excellency the President, particularly when we launched the route to Kakamega, is that we will extend the same waivers to flights going to Kabunde. That means that landing charges and other auxiliary charges will be waived for now until such time that we will ensure that this route has proper business, that we can be able to sit down. This applies to all the flights, starting with the Renegade Air and all other airlines that are going to take advantage of this opportunity to fly to Homa Bay. Karibuni sana Homa Bay Dala. Thank you. Yeah.
Asante sana Waziri. We are very, very excited today because as somebody said, today we are landing. We are not arriving in Homa Bay. Today we are landing in Homa Bay, and it's a real excitement. And I think this is big for us and our neighboring counties as well, who have all joined us in this journey. The counties of Migori, Kisii, Nyamira, and ourselves, who will find this journey to Homa Bay very, very useful. We have received overwhelming feedback from the public who are saying that, you know, going to Homa Bay has never been easy. As you know, if you fly out to Kisumu, you have to drive for nearly 2 hours to get to Homa Bay. So that is saved time, but also in terms of employment to our people and just the economic activity around Homa Bay. Let me thank the Minister very much for agreeing to join us to Homa Bay and for the very kind words it said about Homa Bay. Homa Bay is truly beautiful. Actually, 80% of Kenya's Lake Victoria is in Homa Bay, and soon Homa Bay will become the city that it's meant to be and the tourism paradise that it's meant to be. I thank KAA for the work that they're doing in Homa Bay, but I'd like to really thank Ramogi for taking this bold step to fly into Homa Bay. I know it's been a difficult decision to make, but I can assure them, and I want to call on everybody that let's make this route the success that it's meant to be. And they've said that if there's traffic, they will increase it from the 3 days to 7 days. So let me thank the MPs from Homa Bay, represented here by Dr. Lilian Gogo, MP for Rangwe. They are all with us, the chair of the Transport Committee in the National Assembly, Honorable GK. We are very, very happy. The PS is here. We have the Assembly, County Assembly leadership led by the Majority Leader. So we are very, very excited that we are going to land. Coming back to Kijaluo.
Yes, because we currently live on.
We are watch kama Joturwa. Kawuono walando Homa Bay. Kendo wanka giwaziri ma transport ma ko ndege kaka uono tukendo wa mor kabisa ni sani dhi Homa Bay dhi bedo mayot moloyo kaka nyocha en chien kacha. Agoero kamano ne Ministry ma Transport, agoero kamano ne Kenya Airports Authority, agoero kamano ne Ramogi moyie mondo bi mondo walando Homa Bay. Jomoko penjo ni to ndege konyo wagango nikech ndege be kelo chieme mesa. Jomoko nyalo penjo to an be ok aidh ndege. Sama ndege olwar Homa Bay, kako dhi lwar sani ni, nitie jomo idho ndege ni masani dhi kao boda boda, dhi kao taxi, dhi kao means ka gidhi. To be kiseidho ndege milor, ok idhi dhi adhiya. Samoro inyawacho ni wadhi amadh chae e hotel moro ka idhi chiemo, pesa dong Homa Bay. Inyawacho ni we anindi kinya mond gi ndege, hotel biashara dhi maber Homa Bay. Sama biro Homa Bay yot, welo, tourists, joma nyalo biro mabiro neno gik mabeyo mani Homa Bay, gibro biro e yo mayot ka ndege nitie. Mano bro kelo ohala ne jowa. Koro mane momiyo wasiro mang'eny wach ma ndege mabiro ni. Aparo ni gimachielo mwasego mbaka ne en kaka wanyalo medo length mar runway mondo ndeke obi madongo moingo kaka maro moni. Erokamano. Koro kadipo ni ndege ni odhi maber, ing'eni ma en ohala, ok en gima county timo, en gima private sector timo. Ka ndege ni odhi maber, ibo yudo kama moko be timo nade be biro. To gima duong' moloyo en mbaka mwasego gi waziri, wasego mbaka gi ke mondo waneni be runway nyalo bedo extended mondo ndeke kata mamoko madongo moingo ma wan goni obi Homa Bay. Adwa kwayo ng'ata ma jawuoth ni kochakore sani kikiwe mokidhore ne gedni nikech Homa Bay sani koro waland, ok wadhi adhiya ni wadonjo ni wa arrive. Koro anagoero kamano maduong' kendo kwanyi kwa Ramogi wa make route ni a success. Erokamano.
Mano kanyo Governor Homa Bay County Gladys Nyasuna Wanga kachiel kod jatend migao mochune weche mag wuothe pachoka Kipchumba Murkomen PS migaono apisa madito mag kambi mag jigi